Open the hatch to gain access to the bulb assembly.
Remove the panel by prying it off.
The steps needed to access the other side are the same as this side.
Remove the bolts by turning them counterclockwise. Pry the housing away from the vehicle first, then pull it out.
You're less likely to scratch the paint on your vehicle if you use a panel puller to help pry out the housing.
We're going to remove this cap. There's a little tab right here. You have to kind of lift up on that tab as you turn this counterclockwise. And then you'll notice on the inside here that there's a little push tab, and just disconnect it. You're also going to have to kind of take the wiring here out of this wiring harness.
Remove the bulb assemblies by twisting them counterclockwise. Now you can replace your housing with a new one. Replace the bulb assemblies by twisting them clockwise. Make sure that any wires that have become disconnected are replaced. Reconnect the bulb housing. Replace the cover by turning it clockwise.
Align the tabs and push the housing to get it back into place.
Replace the bolts by turning them clockwise.
Make sure the bulb housing is secure.
Position the panel so that the tabs line up with their respective slots and press in.